Learn with music.
When something's done and gone away, the world will turn another day. If it is over once or more, then simple past is what it's for. Regular verbs and with ed, so past is simple, yes indeed. I played, I worked, I painted too. That's how the past is formed for you. But regular ones, that's the deal. Use form too, it's the real feel. For instance, go, when and seesaw. You have to learn them all by law. Words like ago and yesterday show that past is on its way. Also last week and in 2010 tell you when the past comes in. When it's over, truly past, then use the simple past LS. But when it still connects to now, present perfect shows you how. When it's over, truly past, simple past is clear and fast. But when it still connects to now, present perfect takes the bow. When something still matters in the now, it's present perfect, that's the how. What started before and still goes on, this tense will show what's never gone. Have or has, that goes before. Verb number 3, you know the score. I have word, I've painted too. That's present perfect, clear for you. Irregular ones, yes that's fine. You know those verbs, they work in line. Go, gone, see, seen, you surely know. That's form 3, the verb will show. In present perfect, keep in mind, these words are what you'll often find. Since and for, they tell you true. It's still going, still what you do. Just already yet quite fast. Ever, never unsurpassed. So far up to now, recently. Describe what's current, you see.